Are you looking to export your Telegram contacts on your PC? Follow these simple steps to efficiently transfer your contacts. Begin by launching Telegram on your device. Next, tap on the three lines located in the top left corner of the screen to access the menu. Click on Settings, then proceed to click on Advanced. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and locate the option to export Telegram data. Click on this option to initiate the export process. Select the contacts list and then click on the Export button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation message will appear, asking you to allow the export of your Telegram contacts. Tap on Allow at the bottom of the message from the official Telegram account to proceed. Once permission is granted, an HTML file containing your contacts will be saved in your computer's default download folder. Navigate to the download folder to locate the exported files. Look for the exported results, TUM file, and click on it to open the local link in your default browser. By following these steps, you can efficiently export your Telegram contacts on your PC, simplify the process of transferring your contacts, and ensure you have a backup readily available. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with exporting your Telegram contacts on your PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.